The next one is binary to the decimal conversion, just the vice versa case of decimal to binary conversion system. Here I'll take an example. The binary number system is given as 1010, that is in binary. You should have to convert to the decimal. The steps will be like this. First you should have to take the binary number system, that is 1. You should have to convert to the decimal number system. That's why expansion method, 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. Whatever the radix or the base is here, you should have to consider this. Again, for example, if it is octal, you should have to consider 8 8 8 8. Hexa, whatever the base number system, that will be converting to the decimal number system. At that time only you should have to consider whichever the base here, you should have to multiply with that. Okay, here the binary is given, that's why I'm taking as 2. If it is hexadecimal is given, that is hexadecimal to the decimal is given, I should have to take 16 16 16 16. Likewise, now I'll concentrate about this binary to the decimal conversion system. Okay, again, just I am writing the numbers. Here it is 1, here it is 0 1 and 0. Starting from here, I should have to provide the powers, that is starting from 0 1 2 3. Okay, then again here 2 power 3 8, that is 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 power 0 is 1. Okay, then again just the multiplication and addition. 8 ones are 8 plus it will be 0 plus 2 ones are 2 and it will be 0. I will finally get 8 plus 2 is 10. That means it is the equivalent in decimal number system, that is 1010, which is in binary, is equivalent for the decimal is 10. Okay, similarly I will take one more example. Which is given in binary, if they are asking for conversion into decimal number system. Okay, again the same steps, just expand the given numbers. Here again starting from here, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. I should have to give the power starting from right hand side, LHS. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again just multiply and addition. This is 2 power 6 64 plus it will be 0, anyhow it will be 0, that's why I'll take as 0 only. And this one 16 into 1 is 16 only. Again this one is 2 power 3 8 into 1 is 8 only. Again this will be 4 and this will be 0 and 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, after adding all these things, I will get 93. Okay, this is the decimal number equivalent, that is 93. This is how you should have to convert any number given in binary to the decimal number system. Again one more example with decimal point, that is a point. Here we'll take 101.11. if it is given in terms of binary, you should have to convert to the decimal number system. Again the same steps here, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Just give some gap here, that is dot, that is decimal point. Again 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Before this decimal, give the power starting here. Again the same thing, 0 1 2. After this decimal point, you should have to give the power as -1 -2. Okay, just simplify. 2 power 2, that is 4 plus 0 plus 1 point. 1 divided by this is 2 power -1 is just like 1 divided by 2 power 1, 1 divided by 2 power 2, like this only. Here I'll get 5 dot 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. I hope so. After adding all those things, I'll get 5.75. Okay, this is the equivalent of decimal number system, that is in decimal. This is how you should have to convert from binary to the decimal number system. You can do this by using any shortcut method also. The shortcut method means you should have to remember the power, that's all. Here for example, whatever the number system is given 1010, likewise you should have to remember the place value. This is 2 power 0, this one is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, this one is 2 power 3. Just remember this. 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, just concentrate. Wherever the 1 is there, just add those terms, that's all. Here 1 is there, for that purpose I should have to consider 8. Again here it is 1 is there, for that purpose I should have to consider 2. The answer will be 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, the binary of 1010 will be equal to decimal of 10. Similarly you can take one more, 110. If it is given like this, just concentrate here. This will be 2 power 1, that is 2 power 0 is 1, this is 2 power 1 is 2, this is 2 power 2 is 4. Just add wherever 1 is there, that's all. Here it is 4, here it is 2, that's why I can consider as 6. This is the simple shortcut method, or else go for the lengthier only.